Today we're making a super quick and easy recipe. It is my chocolate sour cream pound cake. This recipe comes together so quickly, and the best part is it can be made by hand. We're starting by combining our dry ingredients, which include all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking cocoa, baking soda, and salt. Once we whisk that all together and it's incorporated, we set it aside and start to work on our wet ingredients. This includes 1 cup of hot coffee. You could also use a cup of hot water and instant coffee or instant espresso. Then we add in our melted butter, sour cream, large eggs, and of course a little splash of vanilla. We whisk this together until all those ingredients are combined, and then we add them into our dry ingredients. Then we whisk our batter together until it's nice and smooth, just like this. 1 batch of batter is enough to make 2 loaf cakes or 1 bundt cake. I chose to go the loaf cake route, so I added my batter into my lined and prepared pan, then baked it in the oven at 350 degrees. While that bakes, we work on our chocolate glaze. This is just heavy cream, some milk chocolate chips, and a little bit of corn syrup. The corn syrup gives the glaze a beautiful glossy shine, and then we pour that over our cooled loaf. I like to absolutely douse the loaf in that chocolate glaze, and then top it with a little bit of chocolate shavings, just using a microplane grater and some of my chocolate chips. Then it's time to cut in and enjoy this delicious loaf. I hope you guys can see how absolutely decadent and moist this is. The texture is incredible. If you want to make this at home, the recipe link is included in the video description, or you can Google Chelsweets chocolate sour cream pound cake. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy baking!